Hello, I am Denise Adler from Diller Drive Elementary School, and I just wanted to share with you what our students are doing on Google Classroom. We have all students 1st through 5th grade using Google Classroom, and it's been amazing the projects they've been able to produce from it. Some of the strategies and ideas I have are, we posted it directly on our website. So here's our Diller Drive website, and I have technology symbols attached to that. And when you click on it, the students can go down and go to their student Google Access. There is an additional step to this now, I think, from what the county has told us. But the kids log in here, click their student, and go and log in with their information. And once they do that, they click here to continue to Google. They'll be placed directly into their Google Drive. From their Google Drive, they go to the top corner and click on the squares and go down to More and click on Classroom. If they are not directly in their Google Drive, it will not give them this classroom icon at the bottom. So when you go to Classroom, you're seeing this from the teacher perspective and not the student perspective. So these are all of my classes that I have with my kids, and when I click on one of my classes, you can see kind of what my 1st graders have been working on. I have created several different things. The students first, before I introduced Google Classroom, they created a trading card, a science trading card on Big Huge Labs. And the kids actually did some research on NC Wise Owl, and then they were told to take 2 of the facts that they learned about their topic and type them onto an actual trading card. And I taught them how to save the file and then upload it to their Google Classroom. And that was actually their first lesson for Google Classroom. And those are 1st graders. Also, along with that, we have just started some some growth mindset with Class Dojo. So I've posted some questions for the kids to be thinking about, and they can respond directly on here, and they can actually see what each other has said and respond to each other as well. The new project that I've introduced them to is a Google drawing on a Google document where they're comparing and contrasting 2 stories with a Venn diagram. So each student has access to this Venn diagram, and I'm showing them how to double click on the Venn diagram to get the drawing, so then they can actually create text boxes to type in. So that's what our 1st graders have been doing. Our 2nd graders also did trading cards, and right now they've been working on some Black History Month research on a famous African American that they chose. I created a template for them to record some information about their person, and once they complete this form, they're going to use, use PebbleGo to find this research, and once they're done with this, they're going to create a timeline through Read, Write, Think. And through there, they'll put their timeline, their information about their person on the timeline by date. So they'll be creating a timeline just like this, and I'll show them how to save and add pictures to it as well. Our 3rd graders have been working on, they just finished some idiom comic strips, which was really cool that we used Make-Believe Comics on. And now they're working on an interactive lemonade stand where they're using some Google Docs as well as some PBS Kids to use for creating advertisements. And they're actually going to do a full interactive lemonade stand to follow up what they've learned in class about economics. 4th grade has been doing some multiple intelligence stuff. They're learning about careers in their classroom. So I'm having them do a quick test on multiple intelligences, and then they're going to learn what they learn best with and do a kind of project with it to show where they belong. And then we're going to look into what they want to be when they grow up and kind of tie it into what they've learned about how they learn best. And then 5th grade just did a culminating project. They were learning about force and motion, and they just did a culminating project with roller coasters. So they created a roller coaster and had to use our snipping tool underneath their start button to take a picture of it and upload it to their Google Classroom. So our kids are doing so much, and I love the aspect of Google Classroom because they can use it at home as well, so their parents can see what they've been working on, as well as the kids can then share their projects at home. So it's been a great tool for us. Hope you enjoy it. Please let me know if you have any questions or how to set up your Google Classroom. Thank you.